say for the first time you watch a movie, the first time watching the channel, I should say, please do subscribe. You know what I mean? We are start work for early this morning and thing. No rest. No day off till it pay off. You know what I mean? You take and go do it.
JAMMIWOOD Studios. Curious King. Give me like a time now. No. Word of advice. Never give up, never give up. Never give up, never give up. You can try again. You can try again. Never give up, never give up, no. Never give up, never give up, no. Even when the world is closing door, and even when things is getting worse than it was before, even when the bills man come knocking at your door, even when the burden gets so heavy, feel like you just can't walk no more, I'm here whispering in your ears and saying, never give up, never give up, never give in, no. Never give up, never give in. Cause you can try again. You can try again. You plant the seed, then I know it come rain. Life is so great, why you sit aside and you complain? Seems like something is wrong with your brain. Life is what it is, yes, and I can't apologize for all the things they did. That's in the past. That's in the past. And if you run a race and you're not focused, you know you're gonna come last. You may buck your toe sometime before, but I'm telling you, matter how hard, never give up, never give up, never give in. Never give up, never give in. Cause you can try again. You can try again. See, I'm a true testimony. See, I am a true testimony. I've been through the rough without any money. See, I am a true testimony. Oh, I've been through war and I ain't got no money, no.
You're gonna make your play up in your bed, they come and clean you out.
You have to do what you have to do, you know, because you like say, you don't know if you take care of a man.
Man know if you take care of me? Me?
When I pick you up, Mama, do not start with this morning, please.
Me not go start with it because me I go about my business and I leave here.
Where you go?
Go for my mother.
You look like you don't really want to stay there still.
But if you're not there, me fi stay here.
Mama, me I gotta work.
So if you gotta work, me I gotta work too. Me I go for my mother go work. You see my phone?
So your sister come here, we realize say you want left on ya.
Speaking of my sister, I'm gonna sit down for this. I hope you're there. My sister ears in the car, I know how no man tan.
Listen me.
And she's kumouching, she not gonna tell me.
I can tell her something. I know that. I don't have time for them energy there. Right? So I don't want you mix me. Alright.
You know, get your yard, you will look next door and get your car road, go get him. I don't want to stay now.
Yeah, what me are hungry now? To be there with the study time?
I don't know that.
Oh.
And every day I gone most while.
Yeah, you gone most while. You gone, I'm not glad the last thing you say you gone most while. Think good, man. What's in the dark shall come to light.
You
May I accept, you give me bun?
No? Give a bun with who?
Alright, don't talk.
Oh, let me give me bun. Me give a bun with. You want me give a bun? I can't do it, you know. Because it's not hard. You want me to do it?
Go and say I go, come up on the walk.
No, go on and walk one
Can't
from
buy it chatting. No, I'm not ready yet. Go on there, go on. Where the backside there, man?
You want to turn with my sister?
I'm
Let's say I want to turn with my sister.
Alright, here, I'm going to put something for you to come. Get him up and walk and chat down.
Must if you say nice.
Go on. Made that, yo. You want to get the top at you? No pin make that here, you know. Me say, I pray. You see, any day you confess and tell me your sister go on with, you stop at you. Where your sister go on with? Me pray last night, me say me get a dream to somebody go, hot damn. If they don't tell the truth, mama, you hear the attitude, boss. You believe me? Right. Tell me where your sister go on with. You give her money to man, know yourself, because I know you want to go to country, go look for your local spooky and get a woogie and because me hear you in a city at night time. You make some sound like and then you lick your lip. I mean, no kind of food you think about. So listen to me. You laugh. You not laugh yet. Your head now gonna stop at you unless you tell me the truth. Where your sister go on with. Right? Your sister give me bun?
Why?
Why? You want your sister to just start the truth?
Yeah.
She give me bun? She alright. Only one thing want you do is recording. Yeah. You see the setting will forever be your space down here. It forever be your space. So you go own your space. But you see me no want to go say, yo, you are cheat and you go say me dirty sister this and she a liar and she go say you are wicked and then it go at you more. What I want you do, I want you record it. Alright, so record it, I'm gonna see it. I go give her a phone please and record it. No more. She in the bathroom my babe, no more. Alright. See that phone here? Use it.
So on to my phone.
Listen now. When you use your phone, she can say, are you a set her up? But when I use my phone, that phone, you think that phone don't work. But if you batch it on it now, gonna last long. So and then you know, so the man come here, you take it and you put it somewhere. You can go anywhere. Yeah, so you catch it. Or whichever way you make it walk, you make it walk. You put it in a man clothes like, see it then? You just catch it in a circle. Then you have your phone in your hand. You have your phone on you. She not gonna look for you, this a phone again, you know. Because you have your phone on you, she not pre nothing. You understand? Alright.
Alright, then maybe.
Remember, say put it over yourself.
Alright.
She not clean up place, so she not gonna see it.
Alright.
Me a come, girl. Me a come, baby.
What?
Be a look out of space, my girl. But what go on? You catch footage funny? You look funny?
No, I'm not watching. I just take up it.
I'm not so. You know, say, at the back camera, you have to turn on. You can turn on the front camera, so I see only that alone. I not see nothing. You only hear when the door lock and when it open. I not hear nothing else. So,
But you not look funny that
so you see tomorrow, Or whenever time again, I'm going to catch her red-handed. Listen me now. I'm in need of your help, your assistance. Because I really want to buy one ring for your sister, you know. But if your sister a cheat, she got to go. Right? Me promise her, I said the house here for me and her it. But really at my house. And if I find out that she have somebody going in a cookie jar, she have to leave. Right? But you see the settee there will be yours forever. If you're smart, you can work yourself from the settee to the bed foot, and from the bed foot to the bed mattress, and from the mattress to pan the sheet, and pan the sheet till under the sheet. When you reach under the sheet, you know what go on. You ring them by PR, you would have get it. If you make it, you'd have to walk feet though. You'd have to walk feet because she walk feet, but she will lose it if she do the wrong thing. You understand what I said a while ago?
But you go, why? You can't.
Who pass she gonna now? If she go up her mother so much time. Where mother up there do. Every little time she want to go up her mother. You sure her mother she want to go?
You don't know why not.
Remember say what day was volunteer. Right? And I tell her we don't celebrate volunteer because we are mainly Jamaican and we stick to the culture, so we do not support volunteer. But some people support it because of money. But because of money, them gone astray. But I not about to Babylon system, none at all. Right? You support volunteer? You go upon volunteer? Who is you to go upon volunteer? You go upon Lovers League Day?
No.
Did you go out on Lovers League Day? Lovers League Day is Jamaican. Why you don't love Jamaica? That's one of the things I think say is if you're there and I sheet, you would have to change your follow ground and re-educate yourself. These things that you're celebrating, you have to find the root of it. That's why we're sinking in so much shit. Because we now find the root of what we celebrate. So anything you celebrate, you find where it originates from. Then you do it. Babylon not do nothing for us. Babylon not build great man. Them kill great man. And them been underestimating man. And underrate man. Your sister not there, kind of like in chatting. We start chatting in cock in here, kind of want to learn. But say you think about it. Think about it. You have a spliff enough for smoke. And make it soak in. You understand? You forget your herbs. That means say you can't go. You see your sister in now, pay attention.
I'm done now. I shall go buy one still.
Alright. You have to put some money in a jar there. Have 13,000 in there. You go in there, you take 2 out of it. Right? Take 2 out of 13. How much go left? But you can't check though. Alright. But you know, but get it right, man. Make sure say you in the record, you look at which part your record from. You want to say action. So I can say, alright, I can prove it. So I can say, when I can walk, girl, you do your double movie. So she have to move out. Right? So you hold this here. Do it again. But take it 2 grand, go back where you buy. Get a clip and smoke it. Meditate and listen. Everything I said to you a while ago, you will see by next year come, when you have, if you don't know how you go work out, case you have a look at joystick or up a country. If you dash with a joystick there and you don't here so, and me and you go roll, I don't know what I'm going to say, sister cheat. Cause word is win, but I want to prove. She accused me every time, but she don't prove, but I don't do nothing. Cause I don't eat and I don't cheat. So what you do? Remember, get the phone go up in the morning. Your sister saying gonna mad. Every little time you want to go mother will spend 2 days. If you never my sister-in-law, when him gone up so, mother take some. But when the relationship done with she, you fit yourself in. But I want to see if she a cheat first. You say she a cheat, I want to see it first. Prove, I want to see. Alright. Plenty more where that money came from. Plenty more. Can't marry to danger. Smell like you put pepper in a pot, Alia.
No, me don't put no pepper in there.
But it smell good though.
Me don't put no pepper in there. So what? Pepper in the fish smell good.
Smell like you put pepper in a pot, man.
No, me don't put no pepper in there. Just me don't know say I don't like it. So pepper in the fish smell good.
We don't say nothing about the argue over the food, man. And I say a word, but just say something. It smell good though.
Thanks.
I don't know why you're asking every man, so. Hello. It's a lot. Yo, morning just a bright out, you know. Mom, calm down, man. Yeah, I come put on the door to them and I can't get to move in. Sorry about that, man. Alia, your phone a ring.
Let me see it.
And your man must have called you. No. I know you may chat to mom. Sorry about that. We don't live a house with a woman where we can't really trust. Because if they didn't accuse me, I feel that she do something. But that's not free business in my man, I do. But really, if you talk about now, I'm going to complete the project.
Yeah, babe, morning.
Morning, you know, so you can't call me so early.
I mean, I can't call you so early, you know, my woman.
Yeah, but remember, say my man there. You can't
Oh, in there?
Yes, and I need me a cook for right now.
Alright, so what you doing now? When me can see you? You want to go to work today?
Yeah. I'm going to work, you see, but me no want. When he gone, me call you.
Alright, then make sure you call me and come over there in the air.
Yeah, alright, bye.
Alright.
Alright, hang up later. Hello?
Babe, morning.
Morning, you know, so you can't call me so early.
I mean, I can't call you so early, you know, my woman.
My man there. You know, so you can't call me.
So what, I can't see you today?
Yeah, you can't see me night evening when you're gone. I'm going to work today. And then I cook some food for you.
Alright, make sure you call me, you know.
Yeah, man, babe. Just wait up off your phone now, man, and make me call you.
Alright.
Yeah, man. But so after we finish the project, though, you may say now, how long before we get the rest of the money? Because I need money and now, you know. Because for my woman big and stout and she not have enough. I don't know, she not in her yard and I don't know how she eats so much. Plus, well, our sister did it, you know, my sister-in-law did it, so need money more than anything else. So we should have project here for me though differently. Because I put on the door today and I don't mind screwing the window. Alright, I could do that then now, yeah, because that sounds good. That sounds good. Yeah, man, so reach out though. Give me a little time there though. So like some food I cook so after I don't eat and things. You know what I mean? So. Alright. Yeah man, so forward.
Sister, how do I turn the power phone with? Make sure I said boy, I'm going to be girl.
Who said boy? It's enough. You see him boy they come fight up with one come like yeah man.
How's man that then?
Who's the man anyway talk about? So why if my man in there so me a chat to somebody on my phone, that's none of your business. Leave my business alone. If they are asleep, if they are catch a matter of fact, you know, come here for mind my business and anything you see and hear, keep it to yourself because any of my boyfriend here nothing and you are only somebody know.
Just keep yourself safe and let people in man around. Don't talk that me around.
What's people man? You see me I take nobody man?
I don't know if I take nobody man.
So all you have right to sell out people them man. You see me around behind nobody?
I mean I call for me. Yeah man, you don't do this.
Shut up. You hear chat so loud about call man. You see me I call nobody now. I'm talking to a friend. You know if you know my friend never country up. But I bet me send them, I'm sending back up a country. The man beat out a cloth up there. So I was lying on her sleep then I still now wait to see if he eat.
Give your thanks another day. Jah! Rastafari. Glory be to the Most High. Jah! Rastafari. Oh, go on, you say a prayer for the morning. Make sure you have enough for Jah when you're there.
What happened now?
I'm on the food, now come check what you're doing. What go on?
You don't play in a cook or just listen to the
Alright, so. Anyway, come here, we got to work, you know. When you done.
So now we pass some feet.
Yeah, I pass off it, man, and then we push out. So you good though?
Yeah, me alright, man. I'm just there.
Alright?
Yeah.
How life, yeah?
I'm good.
Good. You sure?
Mm-hmm.
You eat popcorn?
Eh?
You eat popcorn?
Yeah. You go back here.
No, you just text me and text you. That means you're in Vice Cartel too.
You remember if you go buy curry come?
No, you eat popcorn? You like popcorn?
Say I eat popcorn.
So I'm me alone to think to buy things curry come?
No, turn off for that, man. I took a joke on that. Me ask her if she eat popcorn. She say, if more buy come, we can buy artists come on. So if you eat popcorn, you eat Vice Cartel too. Chop me a chop, yeah, man. You're good, man. Me have two popcorn still. We carry in our seat door in my bag. We don't come pop, you enjoy yourself today. Alright?
I will be enjoying myself indeed.
Hello.
Oi!
Yes, son, now also.
So I'm for do? What you want me to do?
Just the bathroom, sir.
Me I wait for something to come in for my phone. And the Wi-Fi will go to something to stuck up on that Wi-Fi box. So we get popcorn. You get popcorn?
That's the one, son.
No, I don't want none.
Yes, let me look up my cup.
You can have it. No. You so poppy, yo. Go on. You
Yeah,
get
pop,
pop.
pop.
Poppy like a popcorn.
The TV out.
No. I don't matter how fast though. When y'all get some money, you can buy some popcorn. Eh? Look when. Yeah. You know, say, I want to cook some food again because I don't want me coming and no food in the day. So you can't go in the kitchen go wash up the plate, man. Because I know so we use everything this morning. And map off the floor and wipe off the counter. And peel some banana and you come. Yeah, please. Go on. Feel sleepy. Well, one time me call you.
Alright then.
Alright.
alright in there? You sure? So like it be a place like along so. Alright.
Alright, later here.
Yeah, man, later.
There's something I can fall back later again.
No, maybe me car.
Alright. Alright, then later here. Baby. My food. For my head.
No,
So my food. In my pot.
but wash out and turn down long time.
Yo, stop around putting my food.
Anywhere you come from, go and go eat your food. Me no left no
Where
food
me know me
here.
I come from? Where
Anywhere
you
you
know me?
come
Where you know
from.
me go on the road?
Me no business where you want to come from. Me say anywhere you come
stop
from,
around
go and
putting
go eat.
my
Go and go
food
buy
on
one
there.
box food. You know
My
money?
food around there, don't.
No food no around it. As when me say,
Brother, stop around putting.
don't play with me and my food.
Say I make you tell me say. For me help sometime in your so and put money towards them a thing. You tell me say you not cook nothing for me, you just cook for yourself. That's so selfish you be.
As when me say before, go and go buy box food or go and back where
Buy
you come
box
from.
food. What me I buy box food for? And I have to me I spend my money. What me I buy box
Take
food
time
for?
talk to me too.
Don't tell me if you take
And
time talk, man.
mind speak going on my food.
And that me all fi do too. Cause corrupt me all corrupt too. You all sit on me side man and eat and I enjoy. Yo, if I never want to me back for your tea and tea, you know.
Box yard.
Stop ramping. My food on the beat, stop ramping, no man.
No food on.
So you fi cook and left none for me. And me and you live. And me and you there every day. So you cook and just cook for yourself. Me not somebody where I try to treat me bad, me not sex you good, me not feed you good, what happen? Me not spend time with you, what happen? Wait till you deal with me suffer. Yo, do you have to see you yo. Only if a virgin me have out there we can give me money for buy food. You go there.
Go on. Right. Put food about your food.
Them parents don't teach them manners. And then say people things and pick it up. Damn teeth. Because girl wear teeth my phone for.
What?
Wear teeth my phone for.
You take up no money.
I'm here in the shop and I forget my phone and I'm going to come back in and I'm looking at me not see my phone. You teeth my phone.
Me TV phone.
Yes, sir.
You see that phone when you come in and no shop.
The phone is right on the counter when the lady has served me.
You sure about that?
Yeah, I put the phone down to take the money out of my pocketbook and I look around and I see the phone.
Miss Gwen, yeah, you go looking for
Are you teeth my phone, little girl? Which part you live? Come I go over there go talk to your parents, make them pay me back for my phone.
So I come at you, so I there so nice, you accuse me about phone.
Because you stop like your teeth my phone. As you look in your face, you say you want big lad. You see your nose? You saw your sweat for your
Hello.
nose?
Good morning. Now,
She teeth my phone.
you don't mean about she thief your phone.
I'm going to the shop to go buy something. When the lady purchased the item, right? Put the phone up on the counter and if you take the money out of my pocketbook and if you get the phone on the counter. By the time I walk on the sun come back, the phone go.
The girl not thief no
So who
phone.
you? Are you her mother?
Me the in a shop to she no thief no phone.
So
you
one
can't
I own a
phone.
thief.
You don't carry any phone
I
in the
want to
shop,
own a
lady.
thief. If I know she are you. So you just come to the argument so like say you're a mother.
People and go in here, go look.
Go on here, you go look for your phone.
Are you
and
thief the
to
phone?
call
Are the
thief
phone
for
and make
people.
up and thief my phone? Give me my phone.
If you make a
Lady,
phone,
lady, give me my phone. Thief! We're not thief. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Come on. You're not too thief. I want to thief my phone. Give me my phone.
Lady, go on there, yeah,
Give me my phone. Come back here. I'm busting it. Give me my phone. You know what? I must catch you now. I must catch you now. Watch.
Go on your yard,
And
lady.
I'm going to beat up the two on what?
Go on your yard, lady.
No.
But anyways, the woman here say TV phone. I mean, no say a lie, no.
I'm gonna take up no phone. I'm just there to shop and buy something for my mother.
Me believe there's something wrong with that the woman me. But anyways, as me see you right now, we come to apologize to you with other day when me lick you with the broom. So, more to ask you, and me man a cousin with you?
No, sir. I'm my sister. That's what my sister said. Maybe say I'm a cousin. I just say I'm a cousin. I know. I know if I'm my sister cousin about them, I know say I'm for my cousin.
But anyways, we have something more I can give you. Me can come over there?
Yeah.
Like tomorrow the time there. Alright then, tomorrow I come check your yard.
Aye.
But maybe give me number. You not no phone.
I left my phone up a yard.
You can take in your head. I remember it.
Yeah, I'm going to remember it.
Okay, 4330183.
Aye.
Yeah, remember it? Alright, later.
Yeah, later.
Yeah.
Later.
Where you go?
You don't know me, I go already. I go for my mother. What happened?
Alright, go on.
Me I go for my mother because my mother say I want to go to the beach and so
Oh, me I call
the
your mother and I get your mother
My
phone.
mother phone my shop.
I go pop your mother when I did them, you know.
Me no business, pop up there.
No doubt there.
Pop up there no. Later.
Hello.
Hello.
My sister no over here. You can come. No.
Maybe I do look at something and then me forward.
Alright.
Yeah. See a good door.
Alright, before you come.
Yeah, me soon come.
Alright.
Tiffany.
Yeah.
You good? So what you want over here sit down and do?
Just I watch TikTok mom.
So which part your sister gone?
I not even know why. I just come say I go on the road.
Oh. Me not turn over here too long though. Let me sit down over here. You sound hot man.
You know you come up in a something like you would.
Me not turn over here too long. So what you say?
Maybe I depend on TikTok board. I don't know why my sister and his so-called cousin saying but when they over here, then they put phone 24/7 about babes and one bag of something. So, I don't know bush party and all.
Alright. Know yourself. You know what I'm gonna do? Anytime you come over here, I'm gonna pay you. And you just call me and I come over same time. Don't worry yourself, I'm gonna pay you. Good piece of money, I'm gonna pay you. Yeah? Don't worry yourself. You must catch them. So want me to eat and everything already?
Yeah, I mean, I'm just see what else I wait for them to come.
How long they gone now?
From morning and from morning, him pussy man left out. I know him left out after.
Okay.
I know which party down.
You know, so nothing, just call me anytime you come over. Just call me.
You go call him.
Anyways, boy, I'm going home, because what you come back and see me?
I mean, when you come back and say why you go and you almost fling me out of friend. I have to friend him up.
Alright. Don't worry yourself. You call when me reach over.
Yeah.
Yeah, later.
May I go for my mother go deal with something. Mother want me to deal with something for her.
You know, say, somebody tell me on the grapevine. Say you don't go where your mom is. You are rolling one bridging where we shape like a one chubby. Somebody say I joke don't make still so. But at first,
Well,
they
Miss
never.
Virgin, tell them I'm ready to tap call up my name and tap mix up my name here.
So like how you said them and say things about me a road, them and say things about you a road.
Nobody can say nothing to me about a road because if me I do
That's a
something,
question.
me not go a road with what me I do, me do it
Should
in
I
front of you.
should I take the day off and come with my with her?
If you want come on. Come on.
I knows my work to do, that's why I have to come on. I can't take the day off today.
No, take your day off and come on, cause say here walk, no time. No time for me. That's why I mean, yeah, you.
But you take, I you don't know where you take the feed you. You just yam straight through. So you drink juice straight through and yam straight through. If I don't work, where you go and yam? Can you not work?
So you can't take one day off?
Like, Mama.
Not even one day off. You spend one day with me.
If me take a day off,
until I take what you get.
if me take a day off, you not no food to yam. Because you yam straight through.
You're lucky.
And then mean you want money to give your mother. And you want this, you want that. Alright.
You can't take one day off with me. One day off. But you expect for night time you come in and you want this and you want that.
Yeah, listen, come up here and talk, man. Now try to say me your neighbor. Because the neighbor them love cuss, you know. Oh, no customer cuss. So I can't even watch. Anyway, that good. So, what do you gotta do? Do you gotta do? Tell your mother, heal up your mother for me. If your mother really go check, heal her up for me.
Yeah, me here.
I want to go on with the rest and them get to find. Where your sister there?
You want this so? No come on.
You tell her, see I left?
My sister knows me I go from yesterday.
Yeah, your sister keep. Alright, go on through. Thank you, John. Yeah, push it on, come on. Go on. Pass your while I go make some porridge. You're fast asleep, my girl. Where do you live?
Just like it up and I look for my sister.
Oh. She gone up her mother, man.
And mommy not up there.
Well, your man up there? Well, up there so she gone still. I don't know if I share your mother gone somewhere. You know, so me trust her, me just... She must know for sure. About that. So yeah, deal it.
Yes, yeah. I will wait till he come back.
Yeah, man. But some of them they can't look for, man. Right? Some of we all look for. And a different note, though. Me trust a sister, you know. But you trust her, you think I'm a good sister?
I'm good with that.
You think she'll give me bone on him, you there?
No, sir.
Well, they'll try to keep faithful because she not trust me, you know. And then me I do everything straightforward. She not trust me. From work to yard. From work to yard. So some pride not about to them go up on the work. I say I don't know there today. Alright, so
They clean up the house till he come back.
do that because of one thing with the sister. She don't know the word. I saw one of that yard not clean the place when you grow. I saw mother grow now.
No, but
And if you have a chit chat, I look a chit chat with your mom, with your mother. So we together toast. I look about when you know when I go, me tell you me I cut here.
alright.
Alright.
I'll go for this.
Alright. Look about something yourself. Later. Anything I go on, let me know, yeah?
Yeah.
If anything I go on, let me know. Piece of money there for you.
Alright.
Alright.
About it something, you know.
No, go look for you. Let's go look for my
Oh, alright. Look for him and chat to you. Get up and go and go wash plate them, man.
sister again, we can't bother you know.
Girl, they know for me if I cook when they come on to them at time before me man come. You don't know that. Go wash the plate them now. Go on, man.
Hello.
Hello.
Wow.
You know, say, fear boy over here?
And we answer to me. Over here do what?
I don't know what my sister over here. Let's go over here.
Alright, me a follow. No see a word.
Alright. When I come over, I want to kill him with lick.
No see a word, girl. Me a come.
Alright.
Because I know say you're a real friend, you know.
Alright.
Later.
Just make sure you don't come over here, just murder him with lick. Isn't it?
Don't worry yourself. I'm coming.
Mm-hmm.
deal with Bill, man.
You think me not
Yo,
here?
easy.
You know all of me there outside,
Yo, easy up. Yo,
You know all of me there.
No reality, man.
I feel man.
Yo,
Three
easy up.
reality. Daga yo.
Daga, what we are talking about?
Me there outside long.
Every time you come over me, I do the excitement.
Yo, just calm down.
Let go, man. Let go, me cousin girl. Let go, me
You know all
cousin
of me there
girl.
outside. I listen to one daga in there.
We nah do nothing. I beg me if yo.
Yeah, we probably lick me cousin. Let go, me cousin girl. Let go, me cousin. Cousin.
I best me kill you. I feel man. Move.
Let go, me cousin girl.
I said me a fixing the beat. Just calm down, man. Doesn't say me a sin.
You think you can fool me?
No, doesn't say
Me there outside.
Cousin, man.
I see just y'all look y'all. Let's take it.
Yes, yeah, you're not me and a sister.
But there will lot of people.
Let me go. Let me ask you a question.
Lot of people.
When your man up there beat out hell out there, me put you up.
But then
This guy put you up.
But if you lot of people.
Not tell me which man flow. Me take any man me want. Pack your things and go.
Look for the boy when the boy younger
What?
than you.
I'm tell some. Pack your things and go. Now too.
The boy younger than you. So hold on. So where me I go?
Me not busy where you want go. You want me call a man and tell you I don't hear the can't call me out me fear no. I'm telling you I don't need my run with. When me call him and tell you I can come beat up your clock then. See there you go on. Let me please. Let me please.
No, let's go.
Yo, lift up. Watch ya. You don't understand? Lift up, girl.
My sister. My brother.
Morning, girl. Thing good?
Yeah.
Alright.
Sister. I'll make some breakfast today.
I can't go for the work, you know. Later.
Alright.
Yeah, you know, go pay your mother today.
No, man. Mommy, alright. Me I go for mommy too much. So, me tell mommy say me I come up there every 3 or 4 for a week. So, me now go up there today.
Alright, but if
Madonna, wait there.
you record good or no?
Yeah.
I'll big old fight go on there. Go on back home. This one forward back. Go on back home.
Alright.
But why? I don't really understand what going on because I don't know how you make a woman beat you up. I a big man. She a little like to say you pitney. Well, it's true me love you same way because my man I had not go with nothing really. We have to go find a new place go because I know we don't get the real.
Oh, go on. You want to come back for work? Can't just talk to you, man. I hope you can put you up. Hope you can put you up.
You still call her back, your cousin?
See footage, yeah? No, man. I'm same man, see there. See footage there. You had the woman that beat him out the door there. Me hear about...
What you talking
Look
about?
on it now, look on the phone, take the phone. So you may say now, you know what this mean, you know? Me go back where me I go, and by the time I come back, you know, for there.
What do you mean by me not for there? Me here there.
Listen, you see that there, the man who you carrying here, you go live with him.
Which man
if
is
you don't want to fight,
man in here?
he says, oh, you and the man did there.
I know me or somebody put
No,
me in there. I know me.
Listen, me don't talk.
I know
At
me.
the
Just
house.
be,
Listen,
just be. I know me.
Listen, me I say. I'm not explaining shit. Every day when they say I go pay your mother, you go into that man. So make Chubby put you up.
Who name Chubby? Me don't know nobody
No,
name
no,
Chubby.
me don't know my name. I'm just saying name. Me just say that your name. But what me I say to you
Just
now.
sit and make me
Me
talk.
a-
Just come here now. Just
Just me run
Just
door.
come here now,
Me
yeah,
say when
babe,
I come
so.
back later, me no want to see you, yeah.
So me a go. Me a go.
Listen me no care about that, you know. But remember say when me come back, me no want to see you, yeah.
Be just Bill now.
Because listen me, Me no run them joke there. Me buy a ring, say me go marry you, you know. It's a good thing me no propose to you, you know. So, when me come back from work, me no want to see ya.
Just come, just be no. So who could I video in their work? Tiffany.
Yes.
Come here.
Now come.
Girl, just come now, Joe. Well, I forgot to pack up my clothes and left now, you know, because he find out say me I give him money and he put me out.
So me have to go. I can't stay up on the city. He promised me say I can't stay up on the city.
What do you mean by him promise to say you can't stay up and city? Okay. And you tell him.
Me not tell him no.
And you have to tell him because he look laughing by your face and when I tell lie, you laugh. And you tell him.
Me not
How
like
can I
that.
move with the
Me not
same
like that. And when me talk to you,
Jamaican
if you want
movie.
with me talk to you, you know, you're not going to realize it now, but later on, you will realize it for your own good. I truly love you. You want the best for you. Right? That's why
So
sometimes
it's
that's hard. If you heard it, like you go to
Huh?
I think action movie on now.
And drama, it's not everything must have pie in it. That's why who knows some of pie and for die.
And then if you feel to go back and go lay down, you can't go.
The movie a teach you things, common sense. Why you put too much sugar in your tea though?
Alright, you soon come back.
Stay up. I'm so ready for gamma, babe.
Be water. Don't you want?
What?
Dale! Over there! Son, auntie! Sausage you drunk?
This a girl
Bro,
did not
talk about it.
Me know.
You know, so she missed out that party last night. When I see her, one man locked down she, you know. Yeah. Me know you miss out. I want Mark X man me go away. What? Allah! Mark X man. I don't need black shot.
You know that girl there?
No, I want brown one. Oh, father.
Which
So
one of
give me a
them?
piece of money.
That brown one, the man used to go.
Money argument, man. Me not get no money. Him same have something when I go deal with and then he give me some.
Which one of
money.
them? Which one of them?
Me not get no money. Who say
That
no
brown
money?
one there, me and him
When
used to
me
go.
say point the girl,
Oh,
where money
oh,
there?
oh.
And the market man talk about that. He can't really back. Ashley, come show me that the last night. Come in and know how to do that. Girl, the teeth. What? Hey, hey, you go too fast. I feel like we mean me go fast. Yeah, other man. And so? Bro, put your back in it. You know about sit that. Sure. Ready? Sure. Yeah. When you back me up, so. Yeah. I'm going up, so. I'm going up, Hey, sit up on the board. Hey, let me tell you something. Let me talk, man. Hey, talk right now. Let me talk now. Me talk. Me know. I'm so glad to I'm going on myself. Dale, mommy. So, come here. Come here. Mommy.
Man, I go give some backside leg. I saw them playing at you know.
Last night I broke out, so.
You mother think I want good behaving girl and she might go on with them.
Last night, me see when you go to your bed. So when you, which one did you never go out, sir?
The Nikki birthday party, mommy.
You did ask me if you could have gone on a party.
Yeah, that said no.
Okay. So why me would have said no?
I would tell me, say me have to get up in the morning and feed the animal. And today is Sunday and a church morning. I mean, you know you're fine already.
So you rather not say you go a party and go boogie down like how me see you and wind up yourself. Suppose when me did in my bed and me here say what accident happened down the road. Me rather go look to say, are you down there, you know, come with us say the in your bed.
You see me not on young, don't you?
You just want to have fun, you know?
I choose Michelle. Girls just want to have fun.
Girl wanna have fun. Lick out her backside, mama.
Kind of like no under no control. See,
I used to beat me so.
but you, suppose something did happen to you.
Don't even know you're praying for me.
Okay, uno down here. And what is that? Let me tell you something. You see one night come, and you beg you pick up. Okay. Me tell you that too. Me tell you. Look here, girl. Look here, girl. Look here. Let me look out for me, man. You give me one of the things. Let this thing for. Two women are ruling you, so. It's either you do what we say, or you find your man, you like a man you have, you find your way. Me tell you that. When go on, me not stop you. Go on, but don't come back. Me not come back. Not sure. Not sure if I don't come back.
Yo. Oh God, me tell you that. See Dalia come there.
Oh, me tell you, man, stay some man.
That me I say. See Dalia.
Daddy, where you wanna stay so?
Me tell you.
Me a left. Tired of this man. Me a left. Me mother just cuss me. Done.
Don't you know that is it, man.
Hold on, baby.
Alright, see you later.
Yeah.
There are more part that come, but more. Go all the rest.
Alright.
I know the girls wanna have fun. Mama want your
I tell you, we go morning.
girls wanna have fun. You can't put her down. Oh, girls wanna have fun. Girls wanna have fun. No, no. Word of advice. Never give up, never give up. Never give up, never give up. You can try again. You can try again. Never give up, never give up, no. Never give up, never give up, no. Even when the world is closing door, and even when things is getting worse than it was before, even when the bills man come knocking at your door, even when the burden gets so heavy, feel like you just can't walk no more. I'm here whispering in your ears and saying, never give up, never give up, never. I get spinning like a merry-go-round. Everything on the silent sound. Oh, she will let you down. You can't come around boring. She want action, don't be snoring. Oh, she's not playing. All that I'm saying
Oh, yeah, look.
is that girls want to have fun.
I think I got run the side.
Run the side. There's a. I feel uncomfortable.
What people go think now, post something by it in my bed.
Me brush off your soap.
Snake in my bed, I know. Put snake by it, you know afraid of snake?
No, sir.
Then you get to go take you know.
Alright.
Alright, that's snake you want, snake you get.
Come here and call you for how I'm not getting the bank.
Paddy,
Oi.
you can come.
Yeah.
I'm not there. Sure. Yeah, sit on palm bed.
Why you tell me say, girl, me say.
Let me ask you a question. I don't want to hear what you say right now. I have something to ask you that's very important. That's why I come over here. What I want to know is, why me left over here? Because you know I'm not dealing anymore. Are you still there?
Why me? There's nothing why me just over here, stay over here. Why? Me don't want no girl come. I want you find back your spot and me a chat to him about you and something.
You sure that make you over here? You sure?
Yes, girl, I that me over here talk to him, but me right now me down in case he care back come in here. But me no want think I know his girl. Me see my chat to other girl out there, so he no look better than you. That's why I want me to work hard for him care back in here.
Then if I let her say, so when day?
I'm gonna walk.
You can give me some water, I'm thirsty.
Yes, girl, alright. I want you water. You don't want water. Go for your water.
Yo, I'm good. I'm good.
Let's say the plan.
I want to. So when you eat, you can have a meat so. Just come over and check him. I don't really come on nothing. I know saying they are working now, so you know say they were by yourself, so I'm going to check you. So you depend.
No, just lay down. No, what to do TV.
Oh, yeah, sure. But the shop me this say me I go and go and check you because I know say you alone over here. So me ask say, you not say nothing about me yet.
I say, I think about it.
Say what think about it, that's all you saying, just a think about it, so nothing more.
I might try to get a second chance, but
Try. You know if you try, if you just give me hit and me will change, that's all you do. But keep on work on it still, yeah? Just go and work. Put in your words to me. Yeah. Because you give me away in the first place, you know, and you call the big old dirty girl around the side, you know. The girl come in, you know. And then you tell fire, you know. So you have to try redeem yourself, you know.
I go work, I work
In order for me to forgive you, you know.
I work on it.
Better. Anyway, I'll go back.
Alright.
Knocking at your door. Even when the burden gets so heavy, feel like you just can't walk no more. I'm here whispering in your ears and saying, never give up, never give up, never give in. No. Never give up, never give in. 'Cause you can try again. You can try again. You plant the seed, them and now it come rain. Life is so great, why you sit aside and you complain? Seems like something is wrong with your brain. Life is what it is, yes, and I can't apologize for all the things they did. That's in the past. That's in the past. And if you run a race and you're not focused, you know you're gonna come last. You may buck your toe sometime before, but I'm telling you, matter how hard, never give up, never give up, never give in. Never give up, never give in. 'Cause you can try again. You can try again. See, I'm a true testimony. See, I am a true testimony. I've been through the rough without any money. See, I am a true testimony. Oh, I've been through war and I ain't got no money, no. You can try again, no. You can try again. Pray to the Most High, He will heal your pain. Oh, you can try again. Everything remains the same, and you can try.
Me tell you, you know, you have to find your own man. Find your own man now. And top take people man. Yeah, what? Yes, me know some people man nice and comfortable, yes, but if you just breed for people man, you idiot. I made that scratch me, Jesus Christ. Why you feel breed? You know better than that.
I'll sleep, I want to sleep right now.
Want sleep, you want sleep right now. Try to make your neighbor next door woman find out. That's the thing to do me anyway.
Me on the guy road.
Yeah, on the guy road. Me I come live over here because nobody not going to kill me feel later. So me can't say so. You know, sir, you feel yourself. No, sir. No, man, something wrong.
Come just like a
You still talk too much, I'll need to talk to you again. Well, I have this news to tell you.
What I know.
I'm my sister. I'm not sure I tell her this, but I hear some sister breed for your man.
My man. Feel me, man. No girl, I must write music. I'm hear me say repeat.
I say me here say my sister. Next door live with so my ex-man. I breed for your man.
My man, they are foreign. So you get the news wrong. So if anybody tell you that, make them tell us, say, your sister, they breed for your ex-man. Because I miss you run up and down and go clinic with her. Every day you have the paper and the whole back, whole hand. I go in a carry go clinic. So I can't feel my man, they are friend from when. I told my man not tell people in business, but I know saying they are friend. So I hear ex-man she a breed for
No, sir, I don't my ex-man, man, because she say no film. She say half, maybe I rang me, but me a
She go tell her for your film. She go tell her for your film.
Listen, probably I rang news me a carry them. Probably I know
If
you.
you try your sister,
Probably I know you, man.
if you try your sister, you go hard for your belief.
Probably I know you, man. I know you, man.
Alright.
So, remember say more than 1 hour to go next door in the car, rent house, you know, so probably I know you. And you say your man there for it, so I forgot check what the other girl.
Yeah, that's me just come in our place.
Let me see.
We just come back in our place. My man there for it, I can't feel him. And as we say, the news think on road say your baby, your man, your ex-man, baby in our belly. So you must know.
No, stop it. So,
Yeah, you're not going to think so till it's too late. So where the pan?
I don't even road me I go. But the girl, never know what to say.
I hope the baby no born for you, because your sister supposed to be here if you go lie down with the ex-man.
God, and to tell you the truth now, and my sister set me up in the first place with me and him left, you know.
Same thing.
Because we used to talk to one boy out of the relationship.
Yes, his friends and family will stay far. As friends will take him and family will take him and stay far. Yes, my man make sure I'm alright. Alright. So I rang news and unless the next lady over there so I could me.
Probably the next lady, man.
Most likely. Can my man.
Anyway, alright then, later.
Yeah, later.
We're
Alright.
Because I'm going to tell you, around that's my which one I am here, but they mean say my break out.
That can't be someone else.
Yeah, so I go on the road first and then we come back home.
Our man, they are far in all now.
Alright, then later, good.
Yeah. My man. Reach with my man. No, brother. Because they mix up on their own new situation. I'm alright. Yeah, my man.
Hello! Yes, girl. Get up there, get up there, get up there.
I got a call from my house, so.
Oh, me here say you're breed for my man. Let me hear her go. Eh? Where me by no girl? We have to let sister say.
I don't feel.
No. Come sweep me up. Come sweep me up. Where say you that go on? What for this?
Fire.
What for?
Fire.
I don't know name fire.
Man. My sister ex.
Fire. Your sister be ex-man. I feel in belly. So all you tell your sister say you feel me man.
I don't say I don't
Not do that, you know.
I don't feel
Not do that, you know, grind me. Not do that. Not do that, come on like it. So your sister man breed you. You should have shame.
So my excitement fam.
Because you tell people say my man they breed for my friend man you want breed for. No, mix up my friend man name, mix up my man name. So if me never go over there go chat to the neighbor, Kiki, and ask him. I'm glad they was the man they are friend. And who to turn around, that's what I hear say. And my ex-man I breed for. What kind of sister you be?
Can't believe this is exciting.
What kind of sister you be? You see, if I didn't want him, me just
tell you
lick
something.
it in your
You see, when you want to put something in your reach, for no make sure you was there, baby father, or ex-man, breed you, do not mix feminine name.
I never call
else,
the name.
don't make nobody come to back with me, come tell me say you say.
I look
Don't
at
mix
me over
my
there.
name. Don't touch me.
What do you mean
Don't
by
touch
five
me.
man will live over there?
You see, if I never have belly, I lick you down. I belly a save.
Alright.
Girl, don't touch me. And the belly a
We are
save
left
you.
him, man. We are
I
left
don't
him.
call but my man name again.
left
Oh,
him, man.
you soon nowadays.
Well, if you
No play with my man.
Come, Kiki.
No play with my
Well,
man.
left him.
And the belly save you, girl.
Yeah.
No pump in your mouth.
No, that me just say I hit save
And
him.
belly save you, yeah?
Because the pit no do not
I've
work.
got my turf go over me yard.
They go
right
tell
now, call
mommy.
my man.
Listen, me I tell mommy. Me I tell
Right.
me I tell
Now what I
everybody
do then here for that?
what kind of
for you?
bitch you be, yeah?
Right.
So you know for until everybody will cut you off, you see me?
You see how that's how they be?
Everybody.
I would have been the evilest sister.
Now pit now
Kick
will come
my-
here. Now pit now come.
Rubbish.
Everything good, man, sis. Everything good.
No call my man name again, you know?
You never call your man.
Me say, no call my man name again, you know? You see Kiki, she evil, not do it. And the belly of favor, remember that. Rubbish.
Exciting.
Have a great man with this and dash for you. Drunk.
Sacha, you can't take up my slippers. You can't go on now in a miss. Me no
Boom,
want
boom,
your
boom,
man.
boom. Shut a girl now to my man. The whole of the strength in my index finger, you ugly like.
You cute, cute no brute.
Man,
Kiki, me say, come on.
The girl bright man. I want done now. Oi, hello you girl, come here. Remember you. I come out the right time. The dress where you sell me down there so. Well, just up in a just come out a road. Just to know say a thief in goods you can't come sell me, girl.
Which
I'm not
thief
gonna
in
not a
goods?
thief.
Which thief in goods?
A
You
thief
want-
in
I want
goods. A
just-
thief, a thief.
I can only
You
just
know,
look how much of them
you
you
know
sell.
seller. You know, nobody know you have no seller. Everybody know you have online shopping, you have thief. You can't sell the people thief in goods. When the girl see me in the dress and confess so, the girl name printed on the rascal top. You know the fuck you do.
After I want just alone today. Look how much people
Yeah, you
in
know,
my
me just
dress.
said the girl come and said so. When he said so, the girl name printed on the top. You go see, you go back to the girl, you go see the girl dress. When you go back to the girl, you see the dress and the girl set up on the camera and asking you. God bless you. And then go down to the side, you didn't know how to sell. You look at shit, watch out people copy in your own, come sell people. The people them copy in. You?
You not thief no
You
dress.
thief the dress. You thief the dress and come boy, you come sell because you're hungry. So you come look at two sides. Damn shit. Thief!
To the most side, give thanks to oh, now you're back again. Yeah, man. You know, so we've been putting in the work, you know, from that time till this time. With the ride from the roadside. Highway, I do things my way. Alright. Bad mind, people go fly away. Alright, let's go. Yeah, man. So, you take and go the way, though. See it? Stand down else you go to General Perkins. Him lose him mother, you know what I mean? So it's a sad time. You know what I mean? I'm in a sister from Nicholas, them see her, she lose her mother too. You know, so my condolences go to that, you know what I mean? Yeah. And so big up to all of the people them who been supporting the movement from that time till this time. You know what I mean? Take away, take and go the way though. Yeah. So big up to Miss Williams, you know what I mean, for the support, you know what I mean, and keep the thing afloat, you know what I mean? Big up to the foundation people them too, from Damien to Tats and Franco to Empress G, and the main support from the black side, you know what I mean? Jews, you know what I mean, big up yourself, bunny down to your ground. You know what I mean? You take what you take and you go do what you do. You know what I mean? So we there go and press the fire, you know. You take what you take and you go do what you do. So if you understand what I mean, you know, let me say take what you take. Let me say take what it takes. You know? And then you go do what you do. That means say you take your work to make things happen, and anything happen, you go make something else happen. You know what I mean? So if the action go bring a reaction. And there's a lot of things to say, but not enough time to say it. So we're not going to go into the conversation to that yet until we reach to that point in time. You know what I mean? But lots of fight are going. You know what I mean? And with the fight we come, we just pray to Jah to give us strength to survive it. You know what I mean? So we are looking for brighter day. You know what I mean? And we work for that right away. You know what I mean? So every day we just get up, give thanks and praise to the Most High, and then we just go and put in the work. You know what I mean? So we know we shall win. We know we shall survive. Jah wash away all the tears from our eyes. You know what I mean? Them songs gonna play a man in time. Yeah man, so bad out there, bless upon yourself still and stay strong. You know what I mean? Continue watching and supporting the movements. You know what I mean? Because with the support I make today I go and push the fire same way. You know what I mean? Big up to the one that will promise and nothing no go on yet. Because we know something go on one at a time then. You know what I mean? Big up to the one that will stand up for we and make sure say thing go on. Because if I never them, I would have loved slow it out long time and find something else do, you know what I mean? So we now one time and now a revealing time in our country, have a lot of chicks and politics going on. We not get involved in it so much. You know what I mean? So yeah, the people them in the street though, I say you look like a white man have gone same way. Because them say the black man haven't done much more than a lot of talk. You know what I mean? Because the people them look pan and say, right and now look pan what go on with how much things are going and how them find gold, yeah. Gold a mine in Jamaica, and Jamaica people can't get none out of it. You know what I mean? I must be 5%. Then say Jamaica people. We not go too much in the details because enough things are going where people them say, but nobody now highlight it. You know what I mean? So it's a secret. So the people them have to realize themselves and understand themselves. It's just the way it is, you know what I mean? It's not the way it has to be, but it's just the way it is for now. You know what I mean? And just pray to Jah, you know what I mean, for better days. Because sometimes we're life stressing, you just a pray for the place to shake up and the people them wake up. You know what I mean? So, but we don't say much, but we just want them get education and then re-educate yourself. You know what I mean? About life itself, you know what I mean? Because the things that we take for granted is the things them shall save we. Like the herbs, you know what I mean? And the plum tree. You know what I mean? So who are up there hype and go and pressure the people them shall fall like Humpty Dumpty. You know what I mean? So a lot of things out there. Don't have to open up the eyes. Open up the yard. Now watch the nights at the market. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so they are said we are humble like a lamb. I try to fight a war. You know what I mean? I try to get this movie thing up and running in real life. Because that's what we want to do. We want to see movie on the forefront. You know what I mean? We want some big star from yard here. Because if we wait for some white people flying again now, come give us some big role. Because one of the biggest movie I think produced from Jamaica is still Jimmy Cliff movie. You know what I mean? It's an authentic Jamaican movie. You know what I mean? And Per Enzel was a white man. You know what I mean? So sad. But I know that we as a people could invest and promote one, you know what I mean? But we will not do so. We don't know if something banned within we as Jamaican, as soon as one Jamaican see a light and want to shine, the next Jamaican go spend the whole of the time to try to tear down. Internally or externally, you know what I mean? They'll be talking shit about you when not even know you. You know what I mean? Just the facts of, I don't know if it's a jealousy or a black man no want to see black man rise when they must see the dollar kind to get a shine for others. And the man who you fight today, may this be, if you never fight him, he might be the one who go help out you tomorrow. And if it's not you directly, it can be your kids them or your grandkids them, because it's a long road. You know what I mean? It's a long road. And you never can tell what tomorrow brings. And tomorrow bring anything. So in life, we try to do the best we can. Give what I can. Receive what I can. It's just life itself. Because I want to build the thing to a part it's supposed to do. You know what I mean? So I dedicate my life and my time to this movie thing, because we want to catch a prime time in a movie world. Like how Jamaica known for music and dancehall and reggae, we want Jamaica known for movie too. You know what I mean? And we want, when I want to come to Jamaica and say they want to do a movie about a Jamaican, they don't have to go to England, they don't have to go to Canada, they don't have to go nowhere. When you come to Jamaica, everything for there. You know what I mean? Because you know, we're there in a slavery. And we don't like fly, we never fly on a plane yet, so I'm kind of nervous towards that, where that is concerned. You know what I mean? So I don't know how plane thing go. But apart from that, if we weren't a slave, we couldn't fly anywhere we want to go in the world. That's the logics of life. So we are a slave, you know what I mean? Because the odds is against you as a black man. But Jamaica is the land to live. Not the land to work. Because when you work, you don't get no pay, yeah. But it's the land to live. Look around. Yeah, the birds them are singing at the tree top. Two parts over there. Look over there, sir. Show them what going on. On top of the part over there, sir, go on. Enjoy himself, you know what I mean? The vegetarian at the place, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. So back to me now. So a lot of things can go on, man, in the earth, yeah. But the problem we have is the fight from our own black people holding us down. TBJ, CVM, where are they now? Are they waiting for me to make it? Somebody wake them up. Them are waiting for me to make it? Ask them a question. If not wait for me to make it, if it's big Cinemax or over, so HBO, call me. That them are wait for? Somebody ask them for me, please. If I that them are wait for, right? If I that them are wait for, so when we bigger now, them go come on the interviews. What about the interview when we are do it from grassroots? Talk shoot. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So we're there and I agree then I go and hold it off, you know. We'll try to survive it. Not too much of a long talking. I'm going to get back to Ronaldo. More moving up on the station. I'm going to watch something different, you know what I mean? One love. Support the thing, man. Let's build it now, man. Them a try to kill it. Make a build it. Let's go.